The disappearance of a 28-year-old man from Meadowlands has left his family seeking answers. Kabelo Faba was last seen last week Thursday. In a separate incident, a 14-year-old girl from Mdeni has allegedly run away from home and her mother has called for help in finding her.
Lusale luntwizisa inyembezi luzibuza imibuzo usapho lukaKabelo Stephen Faba emva kokunyamalala eshiya usapho lwakhe neleta ebichaza ngomvandedwa wakhe.
Kabelo since yatsamaya ka di 19 then tsa October Montlumbare o tlile then a hlapa then a ba etsa le morira etsa SK and then a be le gore then wa tsama mara ba mmona bone ha ba tsama. It's where ha ntse go shebua ko rumong ya gagwe then mama gagwe ntse a cheba mo o thola gore ke mo re tholang this load to a letter then be ba gore ana gore we take it from there re ya police station then re lobula case gore motho sala tsamaile so till now.
Umakazi kaFaba uchaze ngonobangela ophembelele kunyamalalweni kwakhe nanjengoko inhlelo ebenazo ngempilo zingahambanga ngokwesicwangciso sakhe.
Bekumuntu right bekusumuntu into eziningi nele motho right nje phela because apparently nana le girlfriend wa kena kereke le batsama ka ofela na le right montlung neseng but ntwene re bona ko yena from long time nana le this strong anger nana le anger too much and but ne re understand or anger ya gagwe ne le gore ntwe ya ibatlang ha itholi because of na ibatla ipona le ko PSL.
Eyona nto ifaka ityiwa emanxebeni kolusapho sisijwile esenziwa ngumntwana wakhe mihla nezolo ebuza ngotata wakhe.
Una le ngwana mshimane ngwana every time wa re botsa gore because of go gotsa mitsa ka senemi Faba ka nte khutlaneng so a re gone le go jwetsa ngwana gore phela re tsebe go ntata gwa le teng na go engata ha ntata ga se o tseba a ba tsamaile ka taba tsa bolo ba ile di trialing kae so o inkile jwalo mara wa mona gore like the first time na go la fetsa go tsama go ne go tletse mo dichomi tsa gagwe mo so ne ile ya mo stressa too much ngwana a batla bitse go na why di friend tsa ge di tletse go etsa galang ka papa gagwe.
Usapho lwakhe luyabongoza ukuba nabani na onganomkhondo aqhagamshelane nabo.
Ra kopa motho ka monang around mona hle kopa motho ka bona Stephen Kabelo Faba a mfounele nna jalo ka antua ha ke nna potso dinambeng tse 074 265 0308 re a kopa mothoka mmona.
Kwesinye isiganeko intwazana ineminyaka eli-14 uNaledi Mufukeng ubaleke kwikhaya lakhe nangona kodwa eqhagamshelana nomama wakhe kodwa uyala ukubuyela ekhaya. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka.